Welcome to Olds Mob 455. We're back at the shop. It's been a long time, probably a month since a video has been out. And the last time that we had a video of the emblems being taken off and showing you how they were attached and everything, people made comments about, you know, you could use a 3D scan, or I can't wait to see how you guys remanufacture them. We found a guy that does this all the time. So these are the originals that we gave him. And you can see they're pitted, chrome starting to come up. And one of them even had some of the points broke off. Well, this guy does beautiful work, and he made a mold of them. We'll go to the work. This is the one that had them snapped off. He actually got the little prongs back up. That's the original. This is a new one that he made. And these things are very detailed, smooth. You don't see any of the popping that the chrome comes off the die cast. They're detailed really nice. So to see how accurately these things are cast, here's the original with the numbers on there, and you can even see the numbers on there. So you can see this kind of sintered metal in the middle. That same texture is like that. You can see where these are a void, like a pop of the coating, like chrome came off. You don't see that in here. He did a fantastic job of fixing up his mold before he recast for the final product. I mean, the guy does really quality work. So this guy named Bill's Birds Vintage Car Emblems did the reproduction of it, and because the owner ended up giving him these, we got these done for free, but now he has the rights to sell all these afterward. He's appreciative. Somebody's given him the emblems. He doesn't have to go out and get them. And now he'll make money off the ones that you guys order, because a lot of people are going to be wrecking these as they pull off. We showed you how tight they are trying to get these off. The only reason we got them off is because it was so cut out that we had access to it. But most likely when you try to pry these off, you're going to break the little studs off.